Getting around the city is fairly easy with the map, but traffic makes it pretty difficult. So in order to deal with traffic, all the fire trucks and emergency vehicles have sirens and horns. This game allows you to use the manual sirens, which are accurate replicas of the ones that are used on the fire trucks in New York. You can use the T key to hit the air horn on the truck. This will cause vehicles in front of you to pull to the right, and vehicles at intersections to stop, like that one right there. With the Y key, we can use the manual siren, which will wind up as we hold the button and wind down as we let go. Here we're in a situation where we are stuck in traffic. If this car won't move until we hit the horn or wind the siren up. So let's do just that. While driving, you can change the camera to first person by pressing the V key. With the 1 through 6 keys, we can cycle between the different seats in the truck. Here we're in the officer's seat. With the 3 key, we're in the back seat. With the 4 key, we're in the back, another back seat, and etc. If you want to wind your siren down, you can hold the R key to wind the siren down much quicker. This is called siren break. Some other siren options are the automatic sirens, wail, yelp, and priority. To use these, wail is the B key, N is the yelp key, and H is the priority key. Some trucks even feature a Q siren, which is a real mechanical siren. You can hold the Q key to use the Q siren.